Hey, what's up, everybody? Got a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Gonna be doing the throttle cleaning. Let's go ahead and take this airbox out. There's a clip right here and a clip back here. Let's go ahead and undo those. Pull this out towards the end. You want to get these tabs out like that. And then once that's off, let's move this clamp. Just pull this back here, and then we're gonna pull this vacuum hose off. Twisting it can make it kind of loosen up. Sometimes they're real stubborn, so I like to twist it and pull it off. Okay, so now that that's off, there's a 10mm clamp in here. 10mm loosens the clamp. Let's go and loosen that up. You don't have to do it all the way. In fact, I would advise not to loosen it all the way so the clamp comes apart. Just loose to be able to move this. And okay, it should be able to come off pretty easy. So we'll set this to the side, put it somewhere safe where it's not going to get stepped on or nothing. Here is the electronic throttle body. I got some throttle plate cleaner. I'm going to spray my rag. I'm not going to spray the throttle plate itself. I'm going to spray the rag. And what I'm going to do is push on the bottom here to open it up, and then gently hold it open. And while I got it open, I'm going to go clean the bottom down here. I'm going to clean the bottom, I'm going to clean the top, and I'm also going to try to clean the edges of the plate the best I can. So just do your best and try to be gentle with this throttle body. It is in a little electric motor that opens and closes this, so if you're kind of rough with it, you could damage it. And make sure the key's out the vehicle. Make sure the accessories aren't on or nothing, or else it'll set a code. But yeah, I cleaned out the best I could. It looks pretty good now. And I'm going to gently just let it shut, and then put everything back together. So go and put this back on. This will just slide back on, and then you could tighten the 10mm clamp down. Let's get these tabs right here in, like that. Make sure these go in first. You just kind of push it down and slide them in, and then we're going to put these clamps on. Our vacuum hose, don't forget your vacuum hose. Put this back on here and slide the clamp back down. Okay, I had to use pliers to get it all the way on. And then I'll tighten down the clamp. And that's it, guys. An extension with the 10mm socket is good for the clamp. But yeah, that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.